Scientists just saw a crater the size of a city on asteroid Dimorphos, and it changes everything we thought we knew about planetary defense. In 2022, NASA's DART spacecraft slammed into Dimorphos at 6.6 kilometers per second, hoping to nudge the moonlet into a slower orbit. The impact was supposed to be a textbook kinetic strike, but the real surprise came weeks later when the Deep Space Reconnaissance Telescope captured the aftermath. The images revealed a dark, bowl-shaped scar about 800 meters across, roughly the length of 8 football fields. That size is 3 times larger than engineers expected for a 160-kilogram impactor. But here's where it gets crazy: the crater's depth is about 70 meters, meaning the asteroid's surface is far weaker than the solid rock models we used. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University measured the ejecta plume and found fine dust traveling at 2.5 kilometers per second, spreading over a region the size of Manhattan. This tells us that a much smaller impact could create a devastating debris field, a risk for any future deflection mission. And that's not even the biggest part. The crater's shape suggests Dimorphos is a rubble pile, a loose collection of boulders held together by gravity. A loose interior absorbs impact energy, creating a bigger hole but less change in orbit than a solid body would. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office now says they must revise their deflection models to account for these porous structures. On September 26, 2024, the agency announced a new simulation suite that includes real-world data from the DART crater, aiming to predict outcomes for any asteroid larger than 150 meters. In short, the giant crater isn't just a scar, it's a blueprint for protecting Earth. If we ever need to stop a world-killing rock, we now know exactly how tough the job will be. Stay tuned, because the next chapter in planetary defense is already being written.